Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of real estate investing? Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video is your ultimate guide to real estate investing strategies. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals, discuss proven tactics, and equip you with the knowledge to make sound investment decisions. So, let's get started. Welcome back, aspiring real estate investors. I'm delighted to have you here today as we delve into the world of real estate investing strategies. Whether you're looking to build wealth, generate passive income, or simply diversify your portfolio, these strategies will set you on the path to success. Before we jump into specific strategies, let's begin with the essential groundwork for real estate investing. Step 1. Understand your financial situation. To succeed in real estate investing, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of your financial situation. Take the time to evaluate your income, expenses, and credit score. This information will help determine how much you can afford to invest and what type of financing options are available to you. Step 2. Define your investment goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through real estate investing? Are you looking for long-term wealth accumulation or immediate cash flow? Clarifying your goals will help you choose the right investment strategy that aligns with your aspirations. Now that we've established the groundwork, let's explore some proven real estate investing strategies for beginners. Strategy 1. Rental properties. Rental properties are a popular and reliable investment strategy. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate consistent rental income and potentially benefit from property appreciation over time. Research the local rental market, analyze potential returns, and choose properties that offer positive cash flow. Remember, a thorough screening process for tenants is vital to ensure a steady income stream and protect your investment. Strategy 2. Fix and flip. The fix and flip strategy involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. This strategy requires knowledge of the market, construction costs, and an eye for profitable deals. Be diligent in your research, calculate the potential renovation costs, and carefully evaluate the after-repair value. Remember, time is of the essence in fix and flip deals, so develop a strong network of contractors, real estate agents, and lenders. Strategy 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you prefer a more passive investment approach, consider investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets without the need for direct ownership. Research different REITs, assess their performance, and evaluate their dividend yields. Remember, diversification is key when investing in REITs, so analyze their property types, geographical locations, and management teams. Now that we've explored these strategies, it's important to mention that real estate investing also comes with risks and challenges. Always conduct due diligence, seek professional advice when necessary, and stay updated on market trends. Well, folks, that concludes our crash course on real estate investing strategies for beginners. I hope you found this video valuable and are now ready to take the first steps toward financial freedom. Remember, always invest wisely, stay committed, and watch your real estate empire grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with others who may find it helpful. And remember, the world of real estate investing is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. Happy investing!